Instant sinus relief just in few minutes. If you've ever struggled with sinus issues like congestion, pain, or difficulty breathing, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, I'm here to help you tackle those problems head-on with some powerful techniques that can bring you relief. Whether you're dealing with a stuffy nose, ringing in the ears, or even dizziness, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into understanding your sinuses and how we can work together to get you breathing easier and feeling better. The sinus breakdown. Your paranasal sinuses are a group of 4 paired air-filled spaces that surround your nasal cavity. Here's a quick breakdown. Maxillary sinuses. Located under your eyes, these are the largest and most commonly affected sinuses. Frontal sinuses. These sit above your eyes, right in the forehead area. Ethmoidal sinuses. Situated between your eyes, these are smaller but can cause significant discomfort when inflamed. Sphenoidal sinuses. These are located behind your eyes and are the deepest of the sinuses. When these sinuses are clear, you breathe easily and feel great. But when they're blocked, it can lead to pain, pressure, and a whole lot of discomfort. So let's focus on getting them to drain properly and relieving that pressure. The first step to sinus relief is draining them effectively. Here's a simple yet powerful technique. Nasal septum. Mobilization. Place your left hand under your left cheekbone and push upward and outward as if you're aiming towards 10 o'clock. Place your left hand under your left cheekbone and push upward and outward as if you're aiming towards 10 o'clock. Hold for 10 seconds. Switch sides. Use your right hand under your right cheekbone, pushing upward and outward towards 2 o'clock. Again, use your left hand to pull the nasal area over to the right. Hold for another 10 seconds. This technique helps to open up the nasal passages, allowing your sinuses to drain more efficiently. You should feel a noticeable difference in your breathing almost immediately, clearing a stuffy nose. Next, let's work on relieving that stubborn stuffy nose. It is very simple. Nose widening technique. Start at the tip of your nose and move upwards to the top, right in the middle. Using your thumbs, push in on the sides of your nose and then outwards while you breathe in and out. Hold this for 10 seconds, feeling your nasal passages widen and open up. This technique instantly boosts airflow, helping you breathe easier and feel more oxygenated. Opening the eustachian tubes. Now let's address any issues with your eustachian tubes. These tubes connect your nasal area to your middle ear and can become clogged, causing pressure, headaches, and even vertigo. 1. Eustachian tube opener. Use your right thumb to push in and out under your right cheekbone. With your left hand, grab the lower part of your ear and pull it straight out. Hold for 10-15 seconds. Switch sides. Left thumb under the left cheekbone, push in and out, while your right hand pulls the lower part of your left ear straight out. This technique helps to clear the eustachian tubes, relieving pressure and improving ear drainage. The ultimate sinus reset. Finally, let's perform a comprehensive reset that will make a huge difference. Sinus reflex activation. Take a deep breath and hold it, then pinch your nose shut. Tilt your head back as far as you can and keep holding your breath. Tilt your head back as far as you can and keep holding your breath. Hold this position until you can't hold your breath any longer. When you're ready to release, let go of your nose and exhale all the air through your mouth as you bring your head back down. This technique creates a reflex action that helps open your sinuses, and you'll start to feel relief in just a few moments. Take control of your sinus health. You can repeat these techniques as often as needed. They're safe, natural, and extremely effective. I hope this video brings you the relief you've been searching for. Don't forget to share this with friends and family who might benefit, and drop a comment below to let me know how these techniques worked for you. Here's to clearer breathing and a healthier, more comfortable you. Have a beautiful day.